Welcome back to the Thinking Crypto podcast, your home for cryptocurrency news and interviews. Well, my friends, it is another bullish day in the crypto market, and I have the biggest and most bullish news I've ever shared on this channel going back to 2017. And that is not hyperbole. We're going to talk about BlackRock, Coinbase, Meta, Facebook, and the largest crypto hedge fund in the history of the crypto market, guys. Big news. Watch the video to the end. Now, before we get into it, please hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Hit the thumbs up button. Leave a comment below. If you're listening on a podcast platform, please give me a 5-star rating. This podcast is available on all podcast platforms, including Apple, Spotify, Google, and much more. Also, please be sure to sign up for my free newsletter. It is from Substack. Check out the link in the description. Once again, it is free. You don't have to pay anything, and I'm not going to spam you. It's all crypto insights. Now, guys, here's the big news of the day. BlackRock has partnered with Coinbase Crypto Exchange to offer their institutional clients crypto trading services. Not only trading, custody, prime brokerage, analytics, and much more. So Coinbase made the announcement today saying, we are proud to announce a partnership with BlackRock. BlackRock's Aladdin clients will now have direct access to crypto markets through Coinbase Prime. Guys, this is historic. BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager with near $10 trillion of assets under management. They have been, if you've been following the news, they've been buying homes across the United States. That's how much money they have, folks. They are part of the ruling class, the elite. It is BlackRock, right, guys? And I don't even need to tell you that. I think many of you know about it. And if you don't know, go research them. They've been around for a long time. And I remember back in 2018 when BlackRock CEO Larry Fink was kind of poo-pooing the crypto market. And now they're all in, my friends. And look at when it's happening. I want you to pay attention, guys. It is happening when it is a bear market, when there's fear out there, when retail is running away, when people are scared. Oh no, Bitcoin's going to 3,000. Oh no, everything's going to zero. It's different this time. Recession, war, and all these things are happening, right? They are partnering with the largest crypto exchange in the United States to offer their institutional clients crypto services. Let that sink in, my friends. They don't care about the price right now. They know new all-time highs are coming. They're building the on-ramps for the institutional investors, and you're going to see capital flow into this market like never before. So let me give you some details, some Coinbase's blog post today. Over the past few years, Coinbase has played a central role in developing and strengthening crypto markets as the safest, most trusted bridge to the crypto economy. Today marks an exciting next step on our journey as we announce that Coinbase is partnering with BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, to provide institutional clients of Aladdin, which is BlackRock's end-to-end investment management platform, with direct access to crypto, starting with Bitcoin through connectivity with Coinbase Prime. Coinbase Prime will provide crypto trading, custody, prime brokerage, and reporting capabilities to Aladdin's institutional client base, who are also clients of Coinbase. Guys, this is huge news. And look at the services: trading, custody, prime brokerages, prime brokerage. You have analytics and reporting. So you have the white glove service coming with this. And remember, guys, I've been talking about this for years. Those of you who are my OG subscribers, I've talked about this. The same services that exist in the traditional financial markets for the whales and the wealthy institutional investors, those same services are going to be built in crypto. And BlackRock just built the one of the largest on-ramps for crypto to these institutions, guys. So built for institutions, Coinbase Prime integrates advanced agency trading, custody, prime financing, staking, and staking infrastructure, data, and reporting that supports the entire transaction lifecycle. We combine these capabilities with leading security, insurance, and compliance practices to provide institutional clients of Coinbase with a full-service platform to access crypto markets at scale. Coinbase's clients include hedge funds, asset allocators, financial institutions, corporate treasuries, and other institutions. Our scale, experience, and integrated product offering represented what BlackRock believes to be a logical partner for Aladdin. Here is a quote from the folks at BlackRock. Our institutional clients are increasingly interested in gaining exposure to digital asset markets and are focused on how to efficiently manage the operational lifecycle of these assets, said Joseph Chalom, who is the global head of strategic ecosystem partnerships at BlackRock. This connectivity with Aladdin will allow clients to manage their Bitcoin exposures directly in their existing portfolio management and trading workflows for a whole portfolio view of risk across asset classes. My friends, I hope after I read that quote, you see what is coming, what is on the horizon. We have not hit full mass adoption yet, but this is what's going to lead to it. These institutions know that higher prices are coming. This is the future. This technology is disruptive. It's going to change the world. Blockchains, everything's going to be running on the blockchain. I think I mentioned it in yesterday's video that every contract will be running on some sort of blockchain using smart contract technology in about 10 years. And crypto blockchains and networks will be powering a lot of different ecosystems and communities and so forth. And it's a global asset class. It's not exclusive to just the rich. It's not exclusive to certain countries. It's not like a first world country thing. This is a global asset class. You could be in some country in Africa. You could be some country in South America, or you could be anywhere in the United States. It doesn't matter. You have a smartphone. You have internet, you can be part of the asset class. You can buy $20 of Bitcoin, $20 of Ethereum, $20 of XRP, and whatever else, and you are part of the asset class. Guys, this is significant. Now, obviously, it starts with Bitcoin. As with many services, right? It will start with Bitcoin, and then they will go to altcoins. I've said it 1,000 times. That's how it starts. So don't worry for those of you who are like, oh no, it only says Bitcoin. What about our altcoins? As we've seen, they will go to altcoins. Guys, this is historic in my opinion, because this is the world's largest asset manager. You're talking about trillions of dollars of assets under management. Now, I'm not saying all 10 trillion is going to go to crypto. Obviously not. But guys, can you imagine 1 trillion? I think that's realistic. Given the way the economy is shifting, technology is shifting, we will get to that. It may start with $1 billion and then go beyond that. And then they're going to hit the $1 trillion mark, right? It's only a matter of time, my friends. It's BlackRock, right? Once again, if you don't know who they are, go check them out. Now, some other bullish news related to Coinbase that involves Meta, Facebook. So Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg has announced plans to add Coinbase and Dapper integrations to its platforms. Wow, Coinbase has been really working hard here because they're getting these respective partnerships with huge companies. I mean, massive, right? BlackRock in itself, but you also got Meta, and which owns Facebook. And they are also doing some other cool things with Instagram. So let's break it down. A digital collectibles feature was announced by Meta in May. Initially, the feature was only available to select US creators and collectors. Last year, the NFT business experienced a tremendous rise. A large number of people from all around the world were drawn in by the innovative and computerized approach to owning art. While some argue that launching NFTs during a bear market was a terrible move, Zuckerberg said that the tokens will soon be available on Facebook as well. Now, the parent company of Facebook has announced its expansion, guys, to 100 countries spanning Africa, Asia, Pacific, the Middle East, and the Americas. The new feature includes the ability to share digital collectibles, a digital wallet, and so much more. And also, Meta has added support with Coinbase and Dapper, guys. This is, amazing what's happening, right? So let me give you the details here. Mark Zuckerberg has been talking about the possible ways to monetize and help content creators earn money through social media. While outlining several methods of monetizing content, Zuckerberg acknowledged the use of non-fungible tokens. Twitter was amongst the first social media networks to use NFTs, with numerous big corporations following suit. Meta's newest decision came as little surprise to many. However, some may believe that Meta arrived late to the NFT party, particularly at a time when NFT trading and volumes are not in the best shape. I personally don't think so. I think we're still super early on NFTs, and NFTs are going to evolve beyond just artwork. It's going to go into the music industry, movies, live shows, and so much more. And there's going to be the secondary market. I think art was just the doorway for many people to understand what's happening here. So I don't think Facebook, Meta, Mark Zuckerberg are late. I think they're still early. We still got ways to go, and the bear market is the time to build. And they know they get it right. They build it right. They build out the infrastructure. When the next bull market comes around, they're going to get a lot of users. They're going to make a lot of money. So, guys, huge news here. I hope you see what's happening. And, part of Meta's plan is Instagram, once again, as mentioned, is going to expand their NFT feature to creators worldwide. Just huge, huge news here. Now, guys, this news, my goodness, Brevan Howard goes down as the biggest crypto hedge fund launch to date with more than $1 billion. Do you see what is happening, my friends? Alan Howard, once privately derided for believing in crypto when no one else did on Wall Street, must be smiling. So this is being reported by Blockworks. So this is a Blockworks exclusive. The longtime global macro hedge fund firm has raised more than $1 billion for its flagship crypto vehicle, according to 4 sources with knowledge of the matter. The firm's flagship digital assets focused vehicle raised more than $1 billion from institutional investors, and with the vast majority of the lofty haul timed with funds launch earlier this year. The fundraise by BH Digital, the unit that oversees Brevan's voluminous crypto trades, would rank annually among the upper echelons of even conventional hedge fund strategies. By digital asset standards, considering overall market capitalizations are far lower, it's an absolutely massive result, one source said. What's more, early performance has trounced the competition, according to another source. The Cumming-led vehicle, Brevan Howard Digital Asset Multi-Strategy Fund, lost a scant 4 to 5% from the inception through the end of June, according to the source. Even as the 1-2 punch of the implosion of Terra, stablecoin UST, and the insolvency of crypto lenders such as Celsius and Voyager locked price action and liquidity into respective death spirals. Their returns relative to the market are unbelievable, a source said. Sources were granted anonymity to discuss sensitive business dealings. As spokesperson for Brevan declined to comment. Employing a multi-manager and multi-strategy approach, the flagship puts limited partner capital to work via both venture capital style plays and liquid cryptos. More than 60 staffers run BH Digital operations, up from 25 employees in January, Blockworks previously reported. My friends, I ask the question again. Do you see what is happening? These legacy hedge fund, venture capital firms, the big institutional players are now starting crypto funds. And once again, I repeat, look at when this is happening, not in the bull market, in the bear market, where there are narratives flowing around right now. Oh no, crypto's dead. Oh no, this time is different. Oh no, recession. Oh no, inflation. Oh no, the Fed. It's dead. It's all going to zero. That is not true. Are we going to see low prices? Of course. It's a bear market and everything is down. Is there extra selling pressure from macro factors? Of course, but it's not going to zero. As any market in the past, right? Real estate had its bubble crash. The dot-com boom had its bubble crash. Did it go to zero? Was it, forever dead and gone? Of course not. The technology's here. The fundamentals are solid. And these institutional players recognize this, and they know now's the time to go scoop up these assets and get access to equity in many of the crypto companies. Man, if I had a hedge fund with $1 billion to work with, that is what I would be doing. Going up and scooping up as many crypto tokens as possible because they're undervalued right now, and the crypto companies that are building the infrastructure of the market. This is so bullish. I hope you see what's happening. I know some people are going to say, dude, but the price is not pumping. Why is the price not moving? You have to understand market cycles, and news like this is not always going to move the market because it depends on the technical analysis, the market cycle, and the psychology and the emotions and so forth, right? Look at the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. We're still in fear. Look at the technical analysis. We are in a bear market. So don't expect some massive bull run. All of these items, these news items, will culminate to bull runs either next year, or maybe you got to wait 2 years. We'll see what happens, but you're going to have rallies along the way, but they're not going to be the true blow off top type of bull runs like we've seen in 2017 and last year. But guys, look at the amount of capital that's coming in, over $1 billion to invest in crypto. And once again, these are legacy financial guys. And they're here. They believe it. They've done their research. They see the potential to make money, and they see that this is the future. I hope you see it as well. And I hope, as just like me, not financial advice, of course, you are dollar cost averaging, you are hodling and being patient. You're not looking at your portfolio every minute. You're not having sleepless nights. You're building your portfolio, and you're waiting for the next bull run. And I'm sure many of you made money last year if you diversified. I'm diversified. I've talked about it for years. I hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Algorand, Cardano. I diversified because I don't know what could happen. Look at Terra Luna. If I went all in on Terra Luna, man, I would be dead in the water. But I diversify. So if one of my horses, so to speak, doesn't make it, I got some other horses in the race that can make me money. And I hope you guys understand that. It's so important. It's investing 101, diversify. Yes, you don't want to spread yourself too thin, but you do want to diversify. If you put all your eggs in one basket, that is not smart. Even if it's a Bitcoin, which has had a proven track record, because you don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. There could be something that pops up that could eliminate Bitcoin. That doesn't mean the entire crypto market is gone, but that risk exists, guys. So just think about these things, diversify, dollar cost average, recognize who is making the moves. It's not what they say, it's what they do. Who is investing money? How much money? What are the government and regulators doing? And they're moving towards regulating crypto, my friends. Bullish times are ahead. Be prepared. Research, study, and DCA and HODL. Let me know what you think about this news. Leave your thoughts and comments below. Hit the thumbs up button. Share this video with a crypto skeptic or someone who has been talking negative about crypto, who needs to be awakened to the opportunity of a lifetime that is before them. Thank you all, and I'll talk to you all later.